This will be for the con exercise. Evaluate logarithms advanced. So all of these problems will be given in this form, okay? This is considered logarithmic form, where B represents the base, A represents the argument, and C represents the exponent, okay? And you're going to have to translate this into this form here, which is exponential form. So this number here, whatever this number is, B, the base, becomes the number that's being raised to a certain exponent, okay? And the number on the right-hand side of the equal sign, when it's in logarithmic form, that is going to become the exponent, okay? And the argument A becomes the number on the right-hand side of the equal sign when you translate to exponential form. So here we have this this in logarithmic form, okay? It's in this form right here, and we want to translate it to that form, exponential form. All right, so they're asking us basically what this equals. So B, the base, is 27, so B is going to be 27. C, the exponent. The exponent is what we're looking to solve for. So that's going to be C right there. And A is the argument. That is the 1/3. All right, now in order to solve this, we want to get the same base number B on both sides of this equal sign. All right, so we're going to have to do a conversion, something to something power. I know 3 to the 3rd power equals 27. Okay, 3 to the 3rd power equals 27. You multiply 3 times, you'll get 27. So I'm going to replace 27 with 3 to the 3rd. And that is raised to the power of C. And also, as far as 1/3, I know that's the same as 3 to the -1. All right, the negative exponent makes you take the reciprocal. So in place of 1/3, I'm going to write 3 to the -1. All right, when you have something with an exponent raised to another exponent, you just multiply. So this is 3 to the power of 3C, and that equals 3 to the -1. All right, and now that we have the base numbers matching, they're both 3's, we can match the exponents. 3C equals -1. (3C equals -1), and dividing both sides by 3, the 3's cancel, and C, or the exponent, is just -1/3. So you just click in the box and type -1/3. All right, so we want to evaluate this expression here. They're asking us what this equals, and we want to translate this into exponential form. So the base number B, that's 125. The exponent C, we don't know. We'll just keep it as C. And the argument A is just 5. All right, we want to have the base number match on both sides. And I know that 5 to the 3rd equals 125. All right, if you multiply 5 3 times, you get 125. So replace 125 with 5 to the 3rd. And that is raised to the power of C, and that equals 5. Multiplying exponents, 3 times C is 3C, and that equals 5. Okay, there's no exponent on the 5, so you can just make it 5 to the power of 1. Now that the 5's match, the exponents can match. 3C equals 1. And dividing both sides by 3, C equals 1/3. So just click in the box and type 1/3. Okay, they're asking us to evaluate this logarithmic expression. We have to translate it to exponential form. So we can see that b, the base, is 25. And we can see that c, the exponent, is unknown. So we're going to leave it as c. And the argument a is this whole thing right here, 1 over 125. All right, and now on this problem, we're going to have to translate it on both sides. So I know 25 is the same as 5 squared. And I know that 125 is the same as 5 to the third. Okay, the strategy is to get the same base number on both sides raised to an exponent. So I'm going to replace 25 with 5 squared. And that is raised to the power of c. Now, this is 125. And we want 1 over 125. So if I take the reciprocal of both sides here, 1 over 125 is the same as 1 over 5 to the third. All right, and if I want to make this 5 to a certain power, I can just move that whole thing into the numerator and change the plus minus sign on the exponent. So that's going to be 5 to the negative 3. All right, so this is actually 5 to the negative 3. All right, multiplying exponents. 2 times c is 2c. And that equals 5 to the negative 3. Okay, now that the 5s or the base numbers match, we can match the exponents. 2c equals negative 3. And dividing both sides by 2 in order to solve for c, that's going to be negative 3/2. So just get the base numbers to match, and then you can equate the exponents. So just click in the box and type -3/2.